A coffee table is no longer just a functional piece in your living room, it's the heart of the space. It brings together your furniture, decor, and style, creating a sense of harmony and comfort. In 2025, round wooden coffee tables are dominating modern living room trends. They offer elegance, versatility, and a warmth that instantly makes any space feel inviting. Whether it's a statement piece in the center of your lounge or a practical side table next to your sofa, a well-chosen wooden coffee table can completely transform the atmosphere of your home. In this video, we will explore the latest designs, materials, and styling tips for wooden round coffee tables that are trending in 2025. Modern round coffee table designs. The charm of round coffee tables lies in their ability to create a soft, inviting atmosphere. Unlike sharp-edged tables, round designs allow for smoother movement around the furniture, making them perfect for both small and large living rooms. In 2025, designers are experimenting with various materials and forms. Solid wood round tables offer timeless durability and natural elegance. Some feature glass tops to add sophistication while keeping the visual weight light. Others blend marble with wood, creating luxurious, contemporary pieces that stand out as focal points in any room. Nested round tables are also becoming popular, allowing homeowners to adjust the layout based on space or occasion, offering both functionality and style. Materials and finishes in trend. Walnut wood continues to be a favorite due to its rich, warm tones and natural grain patterns, giving living rooms a cozy yet modern feel. Oak and teak remain classic choices, offering durability for everyday use while exuding timeless appeal. 2025 also sees a rise in mixed material designs, where wood combines with metal or glass to create contemporary, eye-catching pieces. Finishes are trending towards natural and matte textures, emphasizing the organic beauty of the wood. These finishes complement modern interiors beautifully and make the table adaptable to various decor themes, from minimalist to rustic. Functionality and multi-purpose designs. In 2025, coffee tables are no longer purely decorative. Many designs include built-in storage solutions, such as drawers or lower shelves, perfect for magazines, remotes, or decorative accessories. Adjustable high tables are gaining popularity, allowing them to double as workspaces or casual dining surfaces when needed. Some models come with matching side tables, giving homeowners flexibility to rearrange seating or create additional surfaces. Lightweight tables make it easier to move furniture around, whether for cleaning or to accommodate guests, ensuring the living room remains both stylish and functional. Styling your round coffee table. Styling a coffee table properly can elevate the look of your entire living room. Fresh flowers, decorative bowls, or a stylish tray can serve as beautiful centerpieces, while a carefully chosen stack of books or magazines adds a cozy, lived-in vibe. Candles, small sculptures, or layered decor items can create depth and visual interest. The key is to keep the styling minimal. One or two statement pieces can achieve elegance without cluttering the space. Proper styling ensures your coffee table becomes a visual anchor, complementing the surrounding furniture while reflecting your personal taste. Placement and integration in the living room. Where you place your coffee table impacts both the flow and aesthetics of the room. Positioning it in the center in front of the sofa creates a natural focal point, while corner or side placement works well for smaller rooms or as secondary surfaces. Pairing the table with an area rug helps anchor it within the space, enhancing the overall look. Ensure there is sufficient walking space around the table, ideally 18 inches from seating, to maintain comfort and accessibility. Coordinating the table's height with sofa and chair seating is essential to ensure functionality and visual harmony. 2025 Trends in Coffee Tables. The biggest trends for 2025 emphasize versatility, natural beauty, and elegance. Round and organic shapes soften room corners and encourage movement, while natural wood finishes and rustic textures bring warmth and coziness. Designers are experimenting with mixed materials and minimalist legs to create sleek, modern pieces that appear visually light. Multifunctional and modular designs are also rising in popularity, allowing homeowners to adapt the table to various uses and spaces. Whether you choose a classic solid wood piece, a walnut statement table, or a mixed material contemporary design, the right coffee table will tie your living room together beautifully. These were some of the most inspiring wooden round coffee table designs for 2025, from walnut elegance to multifunctional modern pieces. Which style would you love to have in your living room? A classic solid wood table, a sophisticated walnut design, or a modular, flexible piece? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore my other home interior videos for more inspiration. Remember, a coffee table is more than furniture, it's the centerpiece that brings style, functionality, and warmth to your living space.